To understand the issue of antibiotic resistance, what antibiotics are and how they are used must be explained. Antibiotics are a type of medication that restrains the development of bacteria to further replicate or kills them altogether. For example, bacterial infections can be treated in the body by antibiotics. The way antibiotics are used is by taking it when it is prescribed by a doctor. Some forms include ointments, creams, tablets, capsules, or liquids. What does antibiotic resistance mean? Antibiotic resistance is when bacteria becomes immune to the antibiotics originally created to kill them. This causes the bacteria to continue to grow and replicate. Infections that are antibiotic resistant are difficult to treat. These infections often require long and costly hospital stays with toxic substitute options. What is the science behind this issue? There are two major reasons to the cause of antibiotic resistance. That is the bacteria having a mutation or gaining new pieces of genetic materials. It is normal for mutations to occur in bacteria when they are dividing. Bacteria are substantially vulnerable to mutation. This is because bacteria have genomes with one chromosome, and because the replicating rate is high. The more the bacteria replicates, the more chances that it will mutate. A huge cause of antibiotic resistance is the use of antibiotics in meat. The animals are held in unhygienic places, which creates bacteria. To kill bacterial illnesses, the animals are given antibiotics. For example, in 2015, there was a case of resistance in antibiotic colistin in China. Colistin is an old drug that is not used much today because of health concerns. The drug was found in the 1940s. Colistin was initially an antibiotic used to fight off certain infections. However, it became a last resort when it was discovered that it was harmful to the kidneys, nervous system, and the liver. The internationally concerned research was founded in Shandong, China. Researchers took a fecal sample from a pig and found a gene called mobilized colistin resistance, in short known as MCR3. This type of gene was found in bacteria such as Escherichia coli. This bacteria had 18 other genes that are particularly antibiotic resistant. The authors that conducted this research expressed their concern for the spread of this antibiotic resistant, saying, quote, "Screening for the MCR3 should be urgently included in the surveillance of colistin-resistant gram-negative pathogens from animals, humans, and the environment." In China, millions of pigs were given colistin for years. Resistant bacteria developed in pigs, then to humans when it is eaten. For prevention and control of this health issue, individual people can make a change. For example, according to the World Health Organization, individuals should take antibiotics only when it is prescribed by a doctor. Individuals should not ask certified professionals for antibiotics if they have said that it is not necessary. When an individual is using antibiotics, they should make sure they are following doctors' instructions. Keeping personal hygiene will prevent infections from occurring, such as washing hands, keeping a distance from sick people, and make sure to be vaccinated. For prevention and control of this health issue, health authorities can be expected to bring about change. They should ensure that there is an action plan established for the country. They should strengthen surveillance on infections that are antibiotic resistant. They should promote the appropriate use of antibiotics. They should make knowledge regarding the effect of antibiotic resistance available to the public. Health authorities of nations have the power to place effective policies and programs regarding this issue. Health workers from the Agriculture Department are expected to contribute by doing the following. They should be allowed to give antibiotics to animals with veterinary surveillance. They should eliminate the use of antibiotics for the sole purpose of the animals to grow rapidly. They should eliminate the use of antibiotics as a reason to avoid diseases in healthy animals. Animals should be vaccinated in place for antibiotics all the time. Biosecurity should be strengthened for the animals by maintaining hygiene to prevent infections. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share to raise awareness of this issue.